Welcome back. What you may have noticed is that there are folders that we uploaded along with these pages. And that's because on each one of the pages, we have certain places where they're referencing files within these folders. For instance, the image folder. However, if we were to go to the web and we were to place this address or the image's address inside of the web, we would not find that this folder would resolve. So if we just put the images in the URL, it's going to resolve to images/install.php, and you're not going to actually get a page. Now, we can get something within the images folder to resolve. However, we need the exact address. So if we were to go inside of our FTP and we were to go inside of the images folder, we could choose a specific file. For example, we can choose this checklist from within the images folder that we uploaded. We can then place that as part of the URL. We can then click enter, and you'll find that this will then resolve on the web. So the folders themselves will not resolve and they'll be hidden. However, the files, if one knows the exact address, can be rendered. So in some cases, you may need to go get an exact file name or exact image from a specific folder. You can go and get that image, you can get the URL from that image, and then you can pass that image on knowing that it will resolve because it's the exact address with an extension and a specific file name. So for example, let's once again take a look at this specific address, ebooksmall.png. Once again, if we have the exact address within the folder, we can get this image to resolve. If we don't know the exact address and we just look for the folder, we will not be able to get the page to resolve. So if you understand the address and what you're going to upload, you can manage your folders accordingly, knowing that whatever you show as the exact address is what people will be able to access. If you don't give them the exact address, or you don't give them the folder or files within a folder, it will not be able to access that particular content. And when you are looking at a specific page and you are looking at the code on the specific page, what you're going to notice here is that this bundle is in the images folder. And our page, our index page, is referring to this image. And it's doing it by referring to the exact address on the actual page from the exact folder. So that if we wanted to change something within this page, all we need to do is to find another image in the folder. For example, we can change the name from bundle large to checklist large. And so we'll edit our content and we'll change this to checklist. We'll click inside of the WYSIWYG and it'll resolve to a different image. So understanding the folders is important to being able to refer to different files within that folder, as well as to determine what will be seen on your web page. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.